Hi everyone, how are you guys doing? I hope you're doing well. Today I'm super excited to share with you an unboxing video that Christine did. I have not seen it yet, so I wanted us to maybe watch it together. So get your popcorn ready. It'll be a little show and we'll get ready over here. All right, so make me smile. Yeah. Now bring me to the corner. Right there, that's good. And now turn the blue off. All right, I think we're ready. Let the show begin. Hello. Hi. Hello. I just got my Josh's Frog package and now we're gonna open it. Yeet. She's in a good mood, isn't she? There is 2 Monsteras and 2 Calatheas inside. Okay, 4 plants. They're both, well, one of them has been on my wish list for a long time, but I recently had already gotten a Calathea Orbifolia, but these are gonna be super cute because they were only $10, so I imagine the size is gonna be $10 each. Sounds like a good deal. And we're gonna take a look at the Monstera, what is it called again? Latin's hard, guys. Siltepecana? Siltepecana? I can say it. She's lucky she got a director to remind her. The Monstera Siltepecana has been on my wish list, and I'm excited to see it. Enjoy. Me too!
Unboxing number 1. From Josh's Frog.
Ooh,
Josh's Frogs.
She's so cute.
I actually don't know. Well, I know there's 2
Calathea
Orbifolias and then the Monstera or something or another.
I like that plant tea. Good job, Christine.
I'm just playing with her pig. Pig. Best pig ever.
Focus, Christine.
Monstera.
Logan wants to play. She wants me to play with her piggy.
Siltepecana.
Latin just sucks, people. Just sucks.
Should have brought the garbage can over.
Don't worry about it. You vacuum later, girl.
Should we time out for the garbage can?
That's
so
okay. Curious.
They're actually not that big. Oh my god. It looks tiny.
I want to see.
Tiny.
Oh my god, they're so small. I love it.
Show it to me.
Show me those leaves.
Hey, my plant.
They're like, what you got?
My plant, look.
This is the Orbifolia.
Calathea.
Orbifolia. You gotta forgive her. That is so cute. Come on, bring us closer. I want to see. Ooh. Can we see the other side?
It's very cute. I hope I can keep it alive.
Can I see it? Turn. Oh yeah, turn it. Oh no.
I wish we had a tray.
Okay, I guess I'll put it here. Maybe the next one.
So I got 2 of those.
Yeah. Okay.
And I also got 2 of the Monsteras. So that's all I got. So that's all I wanted.
Look how shiny those leaves are.
This is the second one.
They're gorgeous.
It's funny that both of them has 2 leaves.
Orbifolia.
Or 3 leaves, I mean. They're so baby.
Super cute.
Oh man, what are the survival rate?
They're gonna do just fine, darling. Don't you worry about it.
And these are the Monsteras that I wanted. These should have no problem, regardless of their size.
The leaves are gorgeous.
They are very pretty. Look at the markings on the leaves.
Get in there, cameraman.
Fantastic. And there's, what, 2 stems in here?
Ooh,
3 stems.
3 stems for $10. What a deal.
Yeah.
What a bargain.
Here we are. That's 1. I'm going to combine, at least the Monstera. I'm thinking I'm going to combine it.
Yeah, that's a great idea.
So we can get a fuller plant.
Yeah, so you can flaunt
this
on
one
that
isn't as
beautiful
happy, but
foliage.
it'll be all right. Oh, several yellow leaves.
But it's gonna be okay. They're not called monsters for no reason, you know.
Because this was
they'd be okay.
Taped to the pot.
She's so cute. She's like, my babies.
Hopefully it'll be okay. The rest of it looks good. Yeah, it looks quite long, too.
Yeah, it looks healthy.
This also has 3
Yeah, nice and full.
stems.
Definitely good buy. Good buy. Now I need to get one of those.
Very pretty.
Yeah.
What do I have to say? Not much.
Okay, so she says that she doesn't have much to say, but actually she's gonna go on for like 10 minutes.
Slightly
So
smaller than I thought.
how about I summarize it for you?
I mean, it
Let's
was
fast
only
forward.
$10.
What she's really trying to tell you is Josh's Frog is amazing. They are super professional. They have excellent customer service. You will be taking care of people just like I did. So go ahead and do your worry-free shopping. That is exactly what I'm gonna do after this video ends. After I subscribe and like the video. And yeah, they're just great. Other businesses really should learn from them. Oh, Ruka baby, come here. You wanna say hi? Say hello. Hello. So if you liked at least 3 seconds of this video, give us a thumbs up. And if this video made you mad, give us a thumbs down. But if you want to know how the Calathea is going to be doing in a few months, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye. Bye-bye.
But for things that are hard to find, yeah, I think it's worth it. It's, you know, a reputable place, you know, versus buying a plant like this online and then, or from a Facebook seller or something, and something goes wrong with it, and, you know, they're less likely to, you know, reimburse you for any shipping damages, or, you know, it gets lost, and, yeah, you okay? She's our tap dancing queen. You tap dance? You tap dance? You tap dance? No. Yeah, so I would say it's a good, you know what you're getting into. Was it pricey? It was a bit pricey, because I think shipping was like 12 or 13, I don't remember, 14, something like that. And each of the plants were around 10, maybe a little bit over, I don't remember. But it's fine. Oh, these would look really great in a terrarium. So probably put one of these in there, or 2, or both of them. I mean, it looks healthy.